Hello, in front of me I got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to perform power shot. To perform power shot, you have to simply press and hold L1, R1. Then strike with circle and install. You can also aim by using left analog for better chance to shoot. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.